Hi, I'm Vic, and today we're talking about lot setbacks. These are mandatory gaps between your property line and your actual house walls. Let me break down exactly what you need to know so you don't get your building permit rejected. First, understand this. Setbacks are the distances from your property line to where your house can start, and they're not the same as easements, which are public areas like sidewalks. Now, here's the golden rule. Most residential subdivisions in the Philippines follow. We call it the 3222 rule. This applies to single detached homes. 3 meters front setback, 2 meters on each side, and 2 meters at the rear. That's your buildable box. Let's talk about what each setback is actually for. Your 3-meter front setback is the minimum required space. Your 2-meter side setbacks give you room for windows, airflow, and access between houses. And your 2-meter rear setback, that's typically where Filipinos put the dirty kitchen, laundry area, or service zone. These aren't random numbers. They're in the National Building Code, and your local office of the building official will check these during permit application. Your 3-meter front setback is the minimum required space. Standard carport size is 2.5 by 5 meters, though we recommend 2.5 by 6 meters minimum to fit most vehicles, even if it's still narrow. This means your carport will eat into your house footprint, reducing your buildable area. The same thing will happen on the side. Here's where it gets interesting. There's an option called the firewall system, where you build one side at 0 meters, right on the property line, using a solid concrete wall, while the opposite side keeps its 2-meter setback. This actually increases your buildable area since you're eliminating one side setback. But keep in mind that HOA rules vary. Some subdivisions don't allow firewalls at all, others require a neighbor's waiver, and some only permit it if you build firewalls on both sides. Quick reminder, even if you maximize your setbacks, you still can't cover 100% of your remaining lot. There's something called percentage of site occupancy that limits your total buildable area. And one more critical thing, your roof and gutters cannot hang over your property line. If you're doing a firewall, you'll need internal or box gutters. These are the technical details that separate a smooth permit approval from a rejected application. And that's Lot Setbacks Explained. The 3222 rule is your foundation for planning any house construction in the Philippines. Now, before you start building, you need to make sure your lot boundaries are accurate first. I made a full video about relocation surveys and why they're critical before construction. Click the video on the screen to watch it next.